Alright y'all, so she is done.
Hey yo baby.
What's up, Balla Babes? I am back with another video, and today I will be dyeing my hair. As y'all see, the blonde. I know I've had the blonde for a minute. I'll say about four years, something like that. So I was just thinking it's time for a change now, since I've had this color for a while. So I will be dyeing my hair. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous at the same time because I've had this color for so long, but change is change, time for a change, and hey, I'm excited. So if you watch my last video of me dyeing my hair, you would know that before I dye my hair, I always moisturize it with coconut oil before I even do anything. It just keeps my hair from being, when you're dyeing your hair, of course there's a possibility it can be damaged, but saturating your hair with coconut oil before you dye it and everything, it keeps your hair healthier. And so that's what I do before I get my hair dyed. And you can also saturate your hair with olive oil as well. But let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair looks like with coconut oil in it. So now the process begins. How I'm looking right now. This is gonna be a long process, y'all. Really not ready because it literally takes forever, but gotta do what you gotta do, right? Oh, this is gonna be so cute. I can see it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be a baddie. A baddie. Do you hear me? Y'all see it? I think I'm gonna like it. I'm not nervous anymore. My head is just so small, like Little tennis ball head. Yeah, you're right.
It's gargantuan size. Gotta be high five. Damn, baby.
Alright y'all, so she is done putting the color on and I'm under the dryer. As y'all can see. Gotta sit under here for a few minutes, then wash my hair. Then I'm gonna wash my hair and stuff, and then after that, I'm gonna put a treatment on it as well, like an avocado mask. So I'll keep y'all updated on that. Then yeah. Now she's rinsing my hair with cold water first before the shampoo. Y'all, this is the best part right here. Shampoo. But when she gets to that right there, oh my goodness. Y'all, this just feels so best feeling. Alright y'all, so before I show y'all my hair, if y'all see me in this same shirt in my room tour video, mind your business. Just mind your business. Because y'all, I honestly forgot to, well, I didn't have time to record my hair results like the same day that I dyed my hair. So this is the perfect time for me to show y'all. I've been moving around a lot, you know. I'm currently moving into my apartment in college and all of that, so I'm really just trying to record videos as I go and as I can until I'm like settled. So don't mind me, but here's the review. Alright y'all, so here is my brand new color. I'm gonna do a little 360 as y'all see. So yeah y'all, this is a new color. At first I thought I wanted like it like highlighted like red blonde, but then I actually had to end up dyeing it twice. So I had one color and then it looked so good, and I had to go up one color to get the look that I really wanted. But then I went to the store and I seen the colors and I was like, oh, this will be so pretty. So during that moment, it was like a little change of plans, and it's like a blonde, like a strawberry blonde, like it's just different, you know. And if y'all know me, I like being different. Like I don't like riding on the same wave as everybody else, and you know, it's not too many people that, you know, rock this color. So hey, it was worth a try. I had my blonde for like 5 years, so I was just like, you know what, it's just time to just erase it, all of it out my head, and just start over with something new. Y'all know I love popping colors, so this is a popping color. It's different and it stands out, and I like that. And if y'all see him right here, that's my brother.
What they do?
But yeah y'all, so this is the color. I personally love it. Like you know, when you get your hair dyed, you have to kind of like let the color set in a little bit. You know, as days go by, it gets better and looks better and better and better. And this is day 2 actually, and I've been looking at myself all day. I've been making videos on Snapchat all day, like y'all. And by the time y'all see this video, I'm probably still, I don't know, I might post on Instagram or something, but I was really trying to wait to drop this video to like post myself on Instagram, because of course I want y'all to come see my video first before I post myself on Instagram. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this video first, and you know, I'll probably leave it up, well, not leave it up because it's gonna stay up, but I'm not gonna post until like a week later on Instagram, like showing Instagram the new color or whatever. And it's honestly been so hard keeping it a secret, because I've made some cute little selfie videos. You know how you get to feeling yourself, and I've had the urge to post it, but I'm like, no, I can't, because like, you know, I gotta watch the video. Yeah, that's just it, you gotta watch the video. So like I said, y'all, let me know. So no, I didn't fart.
Oh, you did?
That's my mouth, because I'm stuttering.
Sound kind of real to me. No,
like and comment if y'all, you know, messing with the color or whatever, because like I said, I personally love it, and it's just different. I mean, it's gonna take some getting used to, but honestly, I'm already used to it. But yeah, the goal is to get me to 10,000 followers. That's my new goal. Y'all know I've been gone off YouTube for a minute, but I'm back. I just had to get some things sorted out, you know, life just happens, but I am back and I'm at school. So yeah, y'all will be getting a lot of content from me, and I hope y'all enjoy. So like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and drop any questions you have or whatever in the comment section. I'm gonna post the colors that I actually used on my hair to get this color, because I already know some of y'all are gonna ask, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Dang.
Yeah, I had to. My bad.
Yeah, he cleaning up her hair. The smell kind of strong right now, but you know we got to sterilize this stuff when you moving in. You just got to, yeah. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like the new color on me, and I cannot wait to post on Instagram so y'all can see the new color with my hair down, of course. So yeah, actually I'm gonna give y'all another 360 before I end the video. So yeah, all right,